Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and payment details so the credit applies correctly. Once done, locate the gift card code or QR. Next, open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal account options. Choose Redeem Gift Card or Code immediately. This is the actionable step that begins applying funds. Make sure your device has internet and is on the latest iOS to avoid validation errors during redemption. Now you either scan the QR code with your iPhone camera or tap Use Camera to let the App Store read the code automatically. This speeds the process and reduces typos. If scanning fails, type the 16-character code carefully, counting letters and numbers. Zeros versus O's matter. Once the code is recognized, the screen shows the gift amount. Review it, then tap Redeem to credit your Apple ID balance. This balance will be used for purchases and subscriptions tied to that Apple ID. Finish by confirming the new Apple ID balance in your account settings so you know the funds applied. Once confirmed, purchases and subscriptions draw from that balance automatically. Use it for apps, in-app purchases, iCloud storage, Apple Music, or other Apple services linked to the same Apple ID. If redemption fails, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the iPhone, and try again. If problems persist, have your receipt ready and contact Apple support for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.